Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Saturday the 9th of November, Keynsham. 2 items. Timber kits, battery drive kit. I've got 2 of these already. You use them for mechanising the wooden automata that timber kits do. I've done quite a few of their kits and I've motorised quite a few of them. I have used their kit, and on other ones I've actually done my own version of it. So check the video description for wooden automata and you'll be able to see them. I didn't actually open the box. I should have done. It's not sealed. Oh, £2 I paid. Great Western Air Ambulance charity. Did I just say that? Anyway, here we are. Nice touch. They give you a named person that you can contact at Timber Kits who will help talk you through your assembly or whatever other problems you have. In the kit, we have the wooden framework, electric motor, battery box, on-off switch. There's a small pulley on the motor and a bigger pulley there, and some connection bands or whatever you call them. So yeah, you assemble it like that, and then your wooden automata goes on top of that. So you've got a reduction gear there, and then on the back of that one, you've got another gear that will go up to your automata. I've done quite a few wooden automata, and I've mechanised quite a few of them. A couple of them I've used these kits on, and some of them I've done with my own version of the same sort of thing. So check the video description for the wooden automata playlist, and you'll be able to have a look at them. And on a similar theme, but not quite the same, another wooden slot together kit. I've never seen this one before. I've seen quite a lot in my time. I've never seen the cat before. Both my daughters have cats. Very tempting to give this to one of them for their Christmas present, but I don't think I will. I don't think they have the time to sit down and put one together. So I expect I will do it. 3 slices of wood or plywood, sticky eyes. Looks like they're fairly large pieces, so it might actually end up roughly that sort of size. Well, 13 centimeters high, 13 centimeters long, 8 centimeters wide. So 8 centimeters, about that, and 13, I'm guessing, maybe not that long, maybe only about that long. Yeah, okay. But that one cost me £2.95. That'll keep me occupied for a little while. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.